Today's summit brought in 74 people from Central Illinois, Chicago, Southern Illinois. Farmers, buyers who buy seed, buy grain, distributors, cooperative grocery stores, doctors, physicians, food service employees, food service directors, a vast array of people were here wanting to learn, but also wanting to share. The focus for the summit was to bring together the diverse array of people from around the supply chain to discuss barriers, successes, to build new relationships, strengthen old relationships, and to come together and create opportunities that can assist in moving the regenerative food system forward. My name is Erin Meyer. I have a consulting company, Basil's Harvest, where I work with farm to institution, working to build that supply chain and to increase small grains, legumes, and local foods going into institutions. ReGenerate Illinois is made up of organizations, businesses, and individuals. We're a collaborative that has come together to build power as a team. These organizations are doing good work on the ground as their own entity. And being a partner coming together into ReGenerate Illinois, that builds more power so that we can increase working opportunities and working with the folks within the supply chain and to help move things forward.
ReGenerate Illinois has a website, regenerateillinois.org. There you can keep up with what we're doing, engage with us. We have a forum on that website, and we would love for people to talk about the things that interest them, whether it's on the farm or in the food system. So we really encourage that conversation. We have a Facebook page. You can like us, share our posts, and post information about your farm or other things about the regenerative agriculture system. We're always looking for new information. Another way to support us is to help us hold events like the one that we had today. And really engage with us. Bring your friends, bring your neighbors. Bring the folks who want to see change, because that's really what it's going to take. It's all of us working together.
Also on the website, our partners are listed. So if you have an interest in policy or farmer training, you can reach out to those specific organizations for more information. I can't tell you how many people stood up and talked about how they're farming for their children and that their scope changed when they had a child or when they had a grandchild. And to me, that is one of the strongest things that we can say and that we can advocate for.